What is happening? Jonathan Dunkerley here. You can call me Dunk. And today I'm going to show you how you could start making $1,000 a day by setting up AI chatbot employees for small businesses, even if you've never used AI before. In this video, I'm going to give you a free trial to a tool that lets you resell access to ChatGPT and show you how to find businesses that already need this solution and are willing to pay for it. You will be providing AI employees for these businesses. And the best part, we are actually going to use free tools to find these clients for you. So if you want access to everything, a trial to the AI tool that lets you resell ChatGPT, there is also a 5-day AI challenge that helps you land your first clients so you can start making money even before you start paying for the tool. And then we're going to go over some real examples of how people are making money using this system. Just drop a comment, a like, and subscribe, and I will send you everything that you need to get started. If you wanted to get started with this 5-day AI challenge right away, go to startlistnow.com. It will help you find your first clients within the first 5 days. I have gone through this challenge myself, and it is insanely valuable. All right, let's get into it. Let's see how this system actually works. Normally, you cannot resell ChatGPT directly. OpenAI does not offer a reseller or affiliate program. Again, OpenAI, we want an affiliate program. But there is a workaround. You could use tools that integrate with ChatGPT's API, giving it access to ChatGPT, and it exists on another website, which you could charge for these tools directly, and they also have an affiliate program. This tool packages all sorts of AI features, including AI chatbots as services for businesses, making it really easy to do upsells since you have an entire collection of tools that you could offer these businesses. And right now, things like a conversation AI bot for your website, which books appointments for you, as well as voice agents that can handle phone calls. These are really easy sells for businesses, and most of them have not ever had any AI services yet because this is a really new industry. And since you are providing these services for these businesses through this tool, you are actually going to start getting recurring subscription payments paid directly to you from your clients. Honestly, think of it like it's an employee. They pay you instead of paying a in real life employee. This means every month businesses will pay you to keep the chatbot or any of the other services running. That's called passive income. You can build up your value stack however you want. Everything doesn't actually even have to come from this tool, but we'll get into that in another video. Now, there's a lot of ways that you could find different businesses, but an easy way to do it is using Google Maps. We're going to use this right now to find a real business that we could actually sell these services to. Here we are again on Google Maps. Why? Because it works. And we are going to search for wedding planner this time. There are several results. Sometimes there are even sponsored results that show up here. Let's go ahead and scroll down and let's take a look at this one right here. Timeless timelines, weddings and events. They've got 5 stars, 6 reviews, wedding planner, and they take appointments online. So let's check out their website. Looking at the site, it looks like a small business. And look at this, they do not have a chatbot. They have information about the business, and then they have a spot right here where you could book with them. Different pages here have different information that we can now add into a chatbot. Without a chatbot, this really does cause a problem for these businesses because customers expect an instant response. And for a big ticket item like wedding planning, you don't want to miss these easy leads. Again, they have a whole entire list of other people that they could hit up. If they don't get an answer fast, they'll just move on to another event planner. There is an entire list of other options that they have right here on Google Maps. And since this is a small business, they likely can't afford a full-time staff to manage bookings. And an AI chatbot on their website or even a voice agent would really help a business like this. And again, that is where you come in. You can offer multiple AI solutions, including chatbots just like this. AI chatbot would be able to answer frequently asked questions, book appointments automatically, and even capture leads and appointments with no extra effort on the business's part. Again, if you want to try this tool out for yourself, head over to startlistnow.com and grab a free trial. Plus, don't forget to jump into the 5-day AI challenge where you will learn how to land clients fast. It does you absolutely no good to grab a trial and not be making money before it's done. This AI challenge make sure that you get your first paying clients fast before the trial is over. Now let's go ahead and set up a chatbot for timeless timelines. Make sure you are logged into the AI agency tool. We're going to go down here to settings, and then we are going to click on conversation AI. And we do not have any chatbots in here yet. You can either click right here where it says create chatbot, or come down right here where it says create conversation AI bot. There are a few template options here, like Q&A, as well as appointment booking or start from scratch. Now we could pick any of these ones depending on what we want. Let's go ahead and pick appointment booking for this example, but remember, you're going to pick whichever one is appropriate for what you're trying to build. Now we're going to click continue. Now we want to name our chatbot. I'm going to call this Timeless Timelines AI. When you actually launch the bot, you're going to need to turn this onto autopilot. But for now, we can leave this off. But when you go live, you will need to switch this over to autopilot. There are multiple platforms that this works on. Right now, by default, it says SMS, but it also does Instagram Messenger, Facebook Messenger. You could do a chat widget, which I'm going to show you in just a second. And then we could do live chat as well as WhatsApp. Let's go ahead and just click everything so we have all those options. There is a part right here that says AI bot trial, and that's because they actually do charge fees for API, and that can be passed on to the business owner. Here's an example right here of how much it will actually cost the business owner when they're using the tool, but that could always be passed on to that business owner. Now for this, we just go back over to Timeless Timelines website, then we grab the URL, and we go back over to our chatbot. We paste in their URL. We have a couple different options here. We could just do the exact URL, which would just give us basically the home page, but I like to go deeper and get as much information about the business as possible. So I do all URLs in this domain from this drop-down menu. And now we're going to click Get Data. There are 7 pages that it is now crawling and collecting data to train the AI bot with. Now, while that is scraping those web pages, we can come over here to Bot Goals. It has the personality, the intent, and additional information right here. There's a few things that we could quickly add just to give it some extra information to access. For example, I always start with this where it says mandatory instruction. Before booking an appointment, always start the conversation by asking these questions one after another. So we get the name, the email, the phone number, or you can grab whatever additional information you would need. And I can just paste that right here into intent and then add whatever additional information that I want to add here just so it knows what to do. Another good example of things that you could easily add in is here is their actual booking page. Maybe they don't want to go through the booking system that you offer and they just still want to use their page. You could just grab this link and go and leave a little note here that says this is the booking page, and then just drop the link. And you could add whatever extra information that you want. Now let's hit save and let's go check in on how that scraping is going for our bot. There we go. It finished checking the websites. We see it says view all pages. It's going to show us these 7 pages that it scraped. Let's hit select all 7 pages. And now let's train the bot. Now it's training the bot. And now we already have a bot ready to go to show our potential clients. Right here, we have our test bot. If I click uploaded links, we can see all the different links right here, trained on all of these. And if we want to see the prompt that it's using to reference for the bot, we can click this little icon right here and it will bring up all of the information that it is using for the bot to reference. If you do want to change any of this, just change it manually and then you could hit save. So I could ask something like, do you offer full service wedding planning? Hit send, and the bot will automatically reply based off of what it knows from the website. It says, hey, yes, we offer full service wedding planning in Riverside, California. It's a stress-free, comprehensive support to make your big day unforgettable. Would you like to book an appointment? Now what you could do is you could either say, okay, this is good. And you could say, I'm going to give it a thumbs up, since that was actually a good reply. But if it was a bad reply, I would just give it a thumbs down. Or we could dive even deeper with looking at the prompts as well as what the AI response was and modifying it. And the reason why this is important is because now we could just chat with the bot, and as we tell it what was good and what was bad, it's just going to get smarter and smarter and a better AI employee for these businesses. So I could say, yes, please book my appointment, hit send. Now it wants my name. I can say Jonathan. Now it wants my email. That's not really my email address, email@mail.com. And now it wants my phone number, 555-555. 5555. That's definitely my real number. And just like that, it gave us a link to the actual booking page. Now, if it was actually in the actual bot, it would be clickable, but I'm going to click right here. It would bring me back to this booking page. I know, pretty easy, right? In all honesty, this is by far the easiest way to impress a business owner. Now, you may want to offer these businesses a full solution. Not every business even has a website. I know, crazy, right? You can create a professional website for this business and create a chatbot in just a matter of minutes. In our tool right here, we have our sites. Click on that, and we could either click on new website here or here. It's going to give us two options. One's from blank and one is from template. Today, I'm going to use a template. So I am going to click create from template, and they have over 1,000 templates. So they're always going to have something for everyone. Hit continue, and we can go through here and find the template that would work best for their business. You could even search through these particular categories right here to find particular types of businesses. So we're going to find a template that we like. I'm going to click this life coach one right here. It will give us a little preview of what the website will look like. And when we're ready, we just hit continue. And it is building our website from scratch. Now, this is a very easy editor for you to use if you're building your websites. You have your included link that comes with the platform, and then you could also connect a custom domain so they could have their own domain associated with the website. Now, if they want you to build an entire website for you, that is obviously going to come with an additional cost, and that's another thing that you could charge for them. And if you're maintaining it for them, that could be a recurring fee that you charge them. I'm just going to publish this page so I could show you exactly what it looks like when it is live on the internet. And there we go. Now we have a professional looking website that is live. We could swap out all this different art, the text, and make it our own, add their own business logo here and everything. And if you think that that's hard, it really isn't. You could use free tools like Canva in order to create all of that art and then put it onto that website. We want our bot down here that's going to chat with website visitors and hopefully get appointments or whatever you're trying to do. Now back on our sites page in our tool, we're going to come over here where it says chat widget. We're going to click that, and we're going to be able to add a chat widget directly to our site. It's really easy to do. We're going to click new either here or up in the top corner. Click new, and we're going to pick what type of chat widget we want. We want an SMS or email chat widget. We want a live chat, which is what we're actually going to be doing today on our website, or we could even do one in WhatsApp, but we're going to click live chat. Now under widget, there's a whole bunch of things you could customize, make it look like it matches that website. You could change the different look, make it purple, go through these settings and just make it whatever you would like. Once you have it set up how you like, you can click save. And then right next to it, there's a spot that says get code. We're going to click that. Now it's given me a little bit of code, and I'm just going to hit copy. And now we're back over here on our website. So we're going to hit back, and right here underneath this one website. So we have websites, and then we have our website right here. I'm going to click the name of the website. I'm going to click on settings, and right here where it says body tracking code, I'm going to paste that in right there. Go to the bottom and hit save. Now, if we go back to our example website, if I hit refresh, we should have a chatbot that will appear right here in the corner. And look at that, our chatbot popped up in the bottom right corner. Open it up and start having conversations with our chatbot, booking appointments, and hopefully making some extra money for these businesses. Now, if you are doing this for another website, say they already have their own website and you wanted to install it, all you would do is, again, grab this code and then you would paste it into the footer or body section of any HTML-based website. This may be different depending on what your builder is. Make sure that you save, and then it should be working. And the important thing is now visitors can chat directly with your AI bot, and businesses can automate lead capture, bookings, and frequently asked questions. And one more powerful feature that this bot can do is automate appointment bookings. The way they have this set up right now is it would have to send them to this link, and they'd have to fill in their name, their email, a message, and then hit send. It would send an email, and it wouldn't be handled by the bot. But here we have a built-in calendar. I can click calendars. First, we're going to need to create a way for them to book a time on the calendar for you. You can go to calendar settings, and we're going to create a new calendar. I'm going to pick personal booking, but if something makes sense to you, there's a whole bunch of other types that you could pick from here. Now we're going to give it a name, call it Wedding 101. Now I just created a temporary one in this account, John Doe. That is the team member that is going to take the call. That would just be for the business owner. Now we're going to need to create a URL. I just give a bunch of random letters for now, just because I need to have a URL. Decide on how long you want the duration of the meeting to be and what days you're available. You could say that you're available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and that would be your availability, and they would be able to book 30-minute periods within that time frame. Hit confirm. Here's the booking link as well as an embed code. But if I went back to our Timeless Timelines AI bot and went to bot goals, now when I go to the bottom, I can click on appointment bookings, and we could assign wedding one-on-one and hit save. And I'm going to put a note to use the appointment booking system first and hit save. And let's test the bot one more time. I'm going to ask it, can I have a one-on-one appointment? It is going to ask me my name again. It's going to ask me for my email, and it's going to ask me for my phone number. These are all things that we need in order to book the call. I didn't even give it a full phone number. It got my information, and it's asking when I'd like to book my appointment. I'm going to ask what is available. It gives me some suggestions on time. I said, let's do the 13th at 2:30 p.m. And now I am booked at 2:30 p.m. on the 13th for this one-on-one. And in case you didn't realize it, this is actually replacing a tool called Calendly and other booking tools that are similar. So you could replace this and offer this as a service, actually making it so they don't have to pay for Calendly separately. And depending on what size business you have, you could see that Calendly can go from anywhere from $10 a month all the way up to $15,000 a year, which could potentially be a huge amount that you are saving for these businesses. And don't forget that the AI challenge at startlistnow.com is probably the fastest way to start learning how to get your first recurring client for your AI agency. If you're actually serious about making $1,000 and more a day reselling AI agency tools like this, now is the time to start. What you will be doing is building a recurring revenue stream using AI automations, which is so cool. Drop a comment below if you're ready to start, and I will send you the details. And make sure that you also like and subscribe. That's it for today. Keep creating, keep earning passive income, and I will see you in the next video.